Welcome, MealMode Monday, but it's Friday night. We've got a nice dinner tonight. We're gonna go all out. So we got 2 ribeyes on the menu, a little extra, probably have some leftovers for breakfast even. What was in the fridge? Zucchini, squash, and then we had onions, always onions laying around. Throw that on the grill with the ribeyes, keep it easy. Then we got this pilaff in a box. This is steakhouse ready to go almost, so join, thanks. MealMode Monday. There's Italian dressing on the veggies. In my mind, what's like the best simple dinner that everybody wants to eat, especially at the end of a week? A steak dinner. And had a lot of potatoes recently, so we'll do the pilaff. With the veggies, you just kebab it, make it easier. Keep all the vegetables controlled this way. On a skewer, maybe we'll do 2 or 3 skewers with what we got. And that's it, so 20-minute meal. Longest cooking thing is gonna be the pilaff. So we'll start that sucker up. 20 minutes for pilaff. The steaks will take 5 minutes to warm up the grill, 10 minutes to cook them. Then you gotta let them cool down for a good 10 minutes also. So close to it. And it's a quick dinner though, so cheers. So love a good cabinet full of spices. You gotta have a cabinet full of spices. Whatever spices you like, fill your cabinet full of them. You know, you go places along the years, maybe you collect them, or you go to Costco and you buy something like this. So we're gonna go just kind of wood-fired garlic, more garlic salt, onion powder, and probably a little more pepper. That's what we're gonna dry rub them with, olive oil, and that's it. Put them on the grill, quick and easy. Flip it over, do it again. Oh yeah. What's going on out there, I wonder. Keep cooking, don't find out. On the parchment paper, keeping it clean. All sides. Get everything you left over. Your steak, make it how you wanna. But, you know, here we go. Get your hands dirty. Usually you don't think of olive oil and rice, but we're going box-made pilaff. It's the sellout way. Obviously, anybody that really knows how to make pilaff, this is not the real way. But this is quick, easy. Friday night, kids eat it, I like it. 1 3/4 water, splash of oil, per the box orders ingredients. Boil up that water. Add the rice, add the contents. 20 minutes away. Simmer it, easy, walk away, done. So it's Friday night. I don't know what everyone's up to, but my night lasts up until about 9 p.m. I'd say. So we got 3 hours here, 6 o'clock dinner start time. But I'm just waiting here in the kitchen, cooking and looking out the window. I don't know if anyone's had this issue where there's a bird, it looks like it just landed in the tree and it's gonna attack our window. It's going to start going straight at our window. Hit it right now, I did it. It's on the branch. Has anyone had a bird attack their window? Because it's happened now over a couple of weeks. I feel like it has to be the same bird. It looks like the same bird, but there's a lot of thousands of the same birds around where we live. But I feel like this one specifically is the same bird. That's what I'm thinking. You tell me what you think. I'll have to have chicken wings if I'm lucky, for free. Let's go. Let's go. All right, water's boiling, quick and easy. It's got instructions. Can't mess it up. Make sure you take this packets out, dump all that sodium and miscellaneous crap in there that they're throwing you. Mix it up. We put it on the simmer. 20 minutes. Walk away. I'm gonna start the grill up. I'll be back. All right, beautiful night. This is grilling weather 101. Who wouldn't grill on a night like this? Again, Friday. Dual ribeyes for the win. Ribeye till you can't eat no more. Start with the veggies though. Give them a little head start, a couple minutes. Get them a sear, and we can move them up high after. We got time. 15 minutes all in. Veggies for 5, meat for 10-ish. That's the plan. See that? See. I feel like I could drink Italian dressing by the cup. You only put lettuce on the dressing to make it an excuse for eating the dressing. It's like ranch or any salad dressing in general. Thousand Island, that's a solid one. You want to go a little exotic. It's more of a Thursday night. You're out, get that Thursday night Thousand Island at the buffet line. Bacon bits. Cooking with the Weber. I've had Weber for probably 5 years now almost, give or take. It's a good grill. It's easy, it's simple. Don't have time for charcoal. Don't have time for the wood burning. It tastes better, I'm sure. I know it smells it better, but this is easy, and when you're cooking for a family, you need easy. All right, we're gonna move it to the upper rack. Got the sear on both sides. Cook it through, and now we'll throw these steaks on with the parchment paper. I'm going about 5 minutes, 5.5 minutes each side. That should be good. Keep it on the medium rare side, medium. That's where we like it. Then the key, let it rest. Don't touch it, don't be greedy. Don't touch that steak. Lather it up with that butter. Make us sleep good tonight. Got the sear. They're thick, almost 2 inches, maybe 1 3/4 thick. We'll go 6 minutes each side. I think that'll be good, hopefully. Workouts. Do you work out? You want to work out if you don't work out. Everybody wants to work out if they don't work out, and if they do work out. Workout Wednesdays, we got the videos. We're gonna upload some cool stuff. Met some good people along the years. Show secrets from everybody. Exercises at work, quick stuff, no one's got time. That's what we have here. Let's get those veggies off. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. You tell how a steak's ready, you poke at it, you push it. How firm it is, right? That's probably ready. Well, you need eye protection. I like to turn the gas off first. Let it cut through those lines. 30 more seconds there. This one's a little smaller. Take it off. Ooh, yeah. I think we're doing it. We're gonna take it off. Let's go get some butter. Let it sit. We love you. Pilaff has been done. These steaks are done. We got the butter on it. We got hungry, anxious people. We're still gonna let these steaks sit for 8 minutes though. So let them sit for about 8 minutes. We're gonna cut it. Then we're gonna prep it, eat it, done. I'm gonna take these veggies for us. I'm gonna make them kind of like bite size. Well, we already got the big knife. When you get your food, you just wanna eat it. You don't wanna be cutting things. Everything is ready to go. Be like a child. Have the luxuries, but as an adult. That's how I eat. Oh, that's delicious. This probably took a little more than 20 minutes.